um, still pending approval. But these were from our Kiwaha that I shared yesterday, last night. Our slangs, our Māori slangs, or our Māori quick sayings. So we've got the ones that I took were e te muru. I'll bring this up. E te muru, which means te brother. So that'll be coming to my emotes. So if you subscribe, you'll be able to come into the stream and go, che brother, e te muru. So that's that one. What's the Māori word for teamwork? For my usa ancient storm rider. He mahi tīma. He mahi tīma, or don't be a wera wera. Don't be a sweat. Wera wera is sweat. Sweaty. The next one is ahei. The other emote that I done was ahei ha, which means hard. Kia ora, which I'm pretty sure everybody knows, and you can come into my stream. Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. He mahi tīma, ai. Mana, this is one that I've had. Mehe te. So mehe te is like a boss. So when we get those, when we wipe a squad out, you can say, yeah, mehe te, like a boss. Ngā mihi, I hope you all know what ngā mihi is by now. That's just saying thank you, acknowledging somebody. So ngā mihi kia koutou katoa. I acknowledge you all for being here with me tonight, with me and the bro tonight. He's frolicking in Storm. So Storm is pōkaka. I guess that's why your name is Storm, right, eh? You ride the storm. Wehinga is OMG. So that'll be coming in my emotes. Paia, yeah. We like to use the old yeah time to time. So paia. Oh yeah, I love to raid. We used this one today with the bro Storm Rider Kaha raid. So I done a black and a white one so we can, you know, stand out a bit. And taia ana means scucks. Ko DJ Up the Guts, he taia ana ia, he's a scucks. That fella Tommy. Taia ana. Oh, and Later Bolt, that's one of my favourites. Later Bolt, we make a good kill. So that's our and then wawo ana. Wawo ana, what was that one? Means that's cray cray. Wawo ana. So these are our little yeah, on Nessa. Give it to him, Nessa. These are our little sayings that we have that been modernised. Do you guys have any